Hey y'all, let's make my shrimp, crab, and corn chowder. It's going to start off with 2 sticks of salted butter and 1 large onion chopped. We're just going to get that cooked down, get the onions translucent, and add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Here we're just basically making a blonde roux, so you just want to get it stirred, medium heat, get it all incorporated until that flour is melted down. Next, we're going to add 10 cups of whole milk. This is a double batch, so I'll post the single batch as well. This is going to make about 1.5 gallons, so it's a lot of soup. 4 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 cans of creamed corn, and a 16-ounce package of whole kernel corn. It doesn't matter what you use. I just use the frozen here. I had white corn, yellow corn works too. So next, about the soups. Let's talk about this cream of shrimp soup. So we're going to use 2 cans of cream of shrimp soup. It's kind of hard to come by. Depends on what part of the country you live in. So you might need to order it on Amazon. We're also going to add 2 cans of cream of a potato. So just get that all incorporated. Cajunland. This is the seasoning blend. Don't skip on it. This is the brand you want. We're going to use a tablespoon or a little over a tablespoon. It does give it a kick, so a little goes a long way. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of green onions that's been diced and get that all stirred, mixed in. And we're going to let this cook down over medium-low heat for about 35 to 40 minutes. You just want to keep checking it and keep stirring it so it doesn't stick on the bottom. It is prone to stick. So once it's been incorporated and gotten thick, we're going to go ahead and turn the fire off. And then we're going to add our seafood. So here is 3140s. This is 2 pounds of shrimp. They were frozen, peeled, deveined shrimp. I went ahead, they're all defrosted, add them to the pot. If you have 4150s or 5160s or even fresh shrimp, that's even better. If they get too large, you can go ahead and give them a chop before you add it in. I added a 1/2 cup of chopped parsley. And again, with the fire off, it's only going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for those shrimp to cook. So you just stir it around and then check them until they're done. You'll notice when they're opaque, we can go ahead and add in our crab. So I added in 1 pound of crab. So in total, this double batch has about 3 pounds of seafood, give or take. Get it all just mixed in. That crab just needs to get heated up and your soup is good to go. Just like any other soup, chowder, beans, it's better the next day. So make it the day before. This is so yum, you won't regret it.